up early, got my eyes on the chart. Every tick's a chance, playing smart from the start. Discipline's my weapon, got the mindset to rise. In the game of momentum, I'm aiming for the prize.
Live is being recorded now. Can you see the screen? Good. Alright, so let's go. What are you gonna do first on the beginning of the weekend of the week? How you normally do? Anyone remember what you do? First thing first. Exactly. Perfect. Where is the most recently break-off structure? And as you can see, this week was this one. Just this little thing here. Great. Good. What you're gonna do is I'm gonna move to that side so everyone can see it. Let's put this to be bigger so everyone can see. This is the weekly break market structure being defined, so the market keeps bullish. Alright, so key levels, the most strong ones is going to be on the weekly. The strong levels he can looking at and to see how the market react from that levels. You can start mark a few ones. You have this one, the market can be in respect. This was very close to that level. It's not tapped into yet, but as you have this big bullish candle last week, so I'm not expect the market is come here just to tap in there. Can be possible, but I'm not expect that, to be honest. The other key levels have been respect. As you can see, this one been respect. Also this one here, this IPA is being taken out as well, so it been respect. So you still have this one is been already tapped into that, so almost consume all of them. So oh, 1 second. It was the window. So yeah, this IPA has been respect as well, so you get a nice move to the upside. So it doesn't look, you're gonna get a retest for sure, but I don't see anything more than that to go to the downside, as every key level in being respect. So yeah, you keep expect the market keep pushing to the upside, so you still have a lot of liquidities to take out from that levels, so you will expect another bullish week. All right, so if you go to the daily time frame,
it's 1:17 p.m.
Let's put this right. There we go. It's not yet. Now we got it. Okay, so daily time frame, you can see this liquidity be taken out before the 1, 2, 3, 4 days bullish. That's great. So I expect a pullback probably can be this breaker block. Also you get this IPA over there, so let's mark this. I'm gonna mark with lines because it's a higher time frame. You can get here or even there. I believe it's gonna be on there, the retest, but let's see. Let's see. Because if the market change direction even before tap into that level, you can ignore it and keep going bullish. That's okay. All right, so let's mark this as a key level. Right, this was the weekly IPA. This was the weekly K level, and also this one as well. Great. 4 hour, what he have on the 4 hour? Let's see. You have this swap of this liquidity, you have this breakout structure, there we go. Also you have the weekly breakout structure as well. After the market invite people to sell, just pushing high, great. So now you have trend line liquidity, you have order block, match exactly with the trend line. So this can be a trap zone because most people will expect the market push here to keep pushing down, great, but you have this trend line liquidity, so you need to take that in consideration as well. Okay, what else? This is the key level. This should be the internal range liquidity, can be. Great, so let's go to 1 hour. 1 hour you can do some adjustments. Great. Let's adjust this order block for the 1 hour. There we go. Exactly on the trend line, because this can happen. But you know that's not, I don't believe it's gonna happen so clear like that, even if you have this breakout structure. So I believe more than this. Come on. I believe in more this works than this order block. Okay, I believe more in that than even that. That was very clear. So I want to see the market drops. That should be amazing, but for that to happen, I'm gonna wait for the market until come here. Why? Because it's gonna swap the pool of liquidity. A lot of people waiting for these levels. People already trade this level. More people waiting for trade this level, and it's gonna be the 79, I think 79, like a golden ratio on the Fibonacci probably. Let's see. There we go. Exactly on the order block, 79. So a lot of people are expect this to happen. Okay. As he already identified this as a breakout structure. Alright, so that's a clear entry. Not for me. I need to see that level being swept. I trust that one, but I don't trust that. But as you are bullish, I'm not going to jump just because the market tap into that. I'm still believe keep buying than selling at this point. To selling, you need to see everything be in place. Otherwise, it doesn't worth the risk because you are in the bullish market. So what you can do to keep buying is, as you know the market is bullish, as you know the market, the main trend is bullish, the counter trend, as you can see, it's bearish. You just need the market change direction, and as soon as the market change direction, you can target that level, because that level should be retest. So you know the market should be here at some point, so you can target that level. All right, so you are exactly on the 1 hour, 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour. You are exactly on 1 hour rejection block. 1 second, I need to change batteries on the mouse. I don't know where is the batteries. Batteries. Where are you? Yeah. There we go. Just 1 second, I'm gonna change the batteries on the mouse. There you go. Okay, looks better. Great. So it's still on this level at the rejection block, 1 hour rejection block. Great. Let's see what's going to happen on this level. If you get a reaction from this level, this can be a level you can target that trend line liquidity, order block, and all of that stuff. As the main trend is bullish, counter trend is bearish. As soon as the counter trend turns bullish, so it's gonna be all time frames bullish, and that can be a great trade. Any questions? Talk to me, guys. I will be there, I will be there. I recorded. Oh yeah, I started recording. Oh, I almost forgot. Gold. Wow, amazing. This was the 4 hour, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Yeah, gold is quite clear already, isn't it? If you are in gold, you already bank profits. Quite good also. How many drawn down? 32 pips, 30 pips, 29 pips. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. You are in gold, isn't it? I saw, guys, you on the premium chart, you've been smashing. I love to see that. That's the goal. All of you talking, share ideas, and that's a great thing. That's a great thing. That's the only way it can grow, because the market is designed to show you buy positions and sell positions at the same time. That's why sometimes you see longs and some of you see sells, because that's how the market designed to. So you need to trap both of us, the buyers and the sellers. You no need to define I'm a buyer or I'm a seller, because I'm a trader. I'm not even both. I do both, but I'm not designed I'm sell more or buy more. No, I just sell or buy whatever the market show me to do, and I have to do that way as the guidance of the higher time frame. That's the only thing you really need to take in consideration, because if you know the higher time frame where it's going, you 80% done your job. You just need to find your entry in the same direction. That's all. That's all. So gold, yeah, gold looks amazing. Gold looks amazing. Oh yeah. It's just there. 1, 2, and then bye bye. You can see gap is being consumed. Yeah. You still have a little bit on this IPA, some kind of manipulation now, probably +1, but I believe it can go up from that level. I believe you're gonna grow a bit at least to take some profits around here. Some of the around this level. Probably gonna get it. Gold was amazing, guys. It was clear. Gold today was very clear. Congratulations the ones take it. Great job. It was clear, it was clear. Also you can see the entry as you have the K level and you have this clear order block. You already know this fucking trap. This always happens that way. This always happened that way. And yeah, you have the IPA below, you have everything below to get in. You don't have to be exactly in point, because it's not easy. Most important on gold is not easy to get that sniper entries. That one was perfect, amazing. If he continued, that was a smash it. But this order block is invite more people to swap, so that's how it happens. And after that swap, you can see the move to the upside. Let's see if they continue. But yeah, when you see everything there, even on the K level, you see a clear order block, you already know what's gonna happen. You just need, even without the POI, you already know your entry should be below the order block, something like this, and you're still in a trade. Stop loss below this candle to protect that IPA here, and yeah, 37 pips stop loss, 35. It can go to 35, yeah, to be safe. And the trade runs 1 to 2, not bad. Let's see what's gonna happen. Euro USD, let's see what happened. The nice, that was amazing. If you sell it, perfect in point, as you have a lot of liquidity to take it out from this. It doesn't mean he's gonna have to do all of them today, but let's see on the weekly time frame what's happened. You already knows the same. Break of structure there. The market keep bullish. You can get a retracement until this week here. The previous week, the K level gonna be here. The previous week they create this IPA, so market, it can be a retracement to that level. Yes, they can, but you don't care much about it. You see what the market is doing at that point, and you're gonna take a decision based on the structure of the market. So there's nothing to watch here yet. 4 hour, let's see what the 4 hour do. Nice rejection block on 4 hour, candle swap previous one, great. On the 1 hour he have the break of structure just there, break of structure just here, as you can see, break that structure, great. Create what he call inducement. That's when the people trying to sell yearly, the people see, okay, the market is start to drop, I'm gonna lose the entry, I'm gonna jump in and get out. The market respect the rejection block on the 4 hour. The profit you should take, it was the internal range liquidity, as you have 1 little range here. Respect that level, perfect. All the lows been respect. Then you have the inducement was the internal range liquidity, as you have here. Another high, perfect, swap liquidity, break of structure just there. You can trust that because you have this break of structure here, the same break of structure. Let me put here, just let's put here for you to see. That was the break of structure. So was like top of the range, lower of the range, breakout, confirm, internal range, come back here. Yearly sellers take out, you can, if you get it, perfect, you sell from here with like, let's see, 5 pips you safe, 5 pips stop loss you safe, should run perfectly fine. Another break of structure been confirmed, and you should get first target this internal range liquidity. Now you have the external range to be playing. Let's see which one's gonna play. So if the market keep respect the lows, it's gonna happen something here, and as soon as the market reverse, you can target the external range liquidity because the market keeps bullish. That makes sense, guys? I hope so. First target should be taken if you take a trade here today at this rejection block, and you want to take this rejection block. Anyone? Is run 1 to 7? Yeah, was clear. Perfect, but perfect. Want to say, guys, you smash it. Come on, left something for me too, man. I'm come very late today, so left something for me. I want something. I need something to. So yeah, this should be a place to take some profits. All right, is a external range liquidity, as you can see. Is an external range, internal range. Sorry, is internal range liquidity. Okay, so this one here, that's based on the range, is create another high. Okay, and also build liquidity. That's great. That's something you want to see. Liquidity has been built. So as the market swept the internal range liquidity, it can leave a runner. That's great. So if the market swept that external range liquidity, then you can target the K level. All right, you can leave a runner to the K level if smash that external range. Let's mark this out. External range, great. If the market break through that, you're gonna create a new high and you go to the K level, and from the K level you're gonna decide what it's gonna do. If the market break the low, the market change from bullish to bearish. If the market keep respect the higher time frame range and the higher time frame structure, the market remains bullish. So now what you're gonna see, bank profits, guys, is 1 to 7.5 is amazing. Even if you put your trade above, stop loss a little bit above here, you should get, well, come on, you should get at least 1 to 4. Guys, this is very amazing. It's good. 1 to 4, that's amazing. You can bank like 3%, so it's done. Your day is done. 3% a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. Okay, so now what you can do, what is the next step? I don't know. So yeah, now I need to see structure again. I'm so happy today, guys. Sorry, I'm happy because I see you doing, and that's the most important thing for me, for ARX, and for all of this structure, is see you guys doing exactly how we teach, and yeah, you can see that fucking thing works perfectly. Yeah. And so yeah, next, if the market keep respect the lows, let's go to the 4 hour, see something. It's nothing. So 4 hour, you have this level. It's okay, the external range liquidity. Yeah, you have this rejection block here on the 4 hour. Great. To happen, it can be a fake out, because the people want to keep going, because it's going to take the external range liquidity, and then if the strong high being created around this level, it can keep buying. It can buying this shit, because you're gonna smash, because the market is bullish. Weekly time frame is bullish. Daily is bullish. 4 hour is still bullish anyway. No structure breaks to the downside. That's the structure. That's the low, the high, the low, the high. No be low being created. A low. So it's still the low. So the market is far away to be bearish. So it keep bullish. So 1 hour, the main trend is bullish, the counter trend is bearish. Most of you already be in the trade, that's great. Now that's going to be the K level. Let's see what the market's going to do at this level. If the market respect that low and just create again, same shit. And if the market create again, and it going up. Yeah. Any question? Tell me. Talk to me. So today, most of you make money. I'm still zero. Come on. You're doing very great, Villanelle. You need to accept that. You do very, very great. I'm very proud of you. You really doing it. You put the work on that, and you really do it, and that's very good to see. You with us like 3-4 months on Discord, probably around it, and you done it. You understand it. It's not take long. Some people take longer, some people not, but guys, you take this he always from long time I told you I'm always trying to do the easy way, trying to not complicate things, because if you go through names in every single candle, blah blah blah, it's gonna create a concept like with 300 pages and videos, and I don't want that. I think you just need direct to the point, because you know how the market runs, you know open trades, you don't need to know 500 years ago the forex started. So so yeah, and you, Villanelle, you just come here and you do it. That's great. I feel very happy for you, to be honest. I feel very happy. That's a great thing. That's I want to see from all of you. Because if I can do, if Villanelle do it, everyone can do it. And all of you is being great, okay? Every one of you has been doing great. Just even me, sometimes you need more focus on the market, because it happens the same every time, guys. That's the great thing, is it's happened the same every time. It's not different. Not the same moves. Some candles is shit, some big wicks, some big candles, but wow, great, bro. That's the goal, man. Get payouts. That's the goal. Get payouts. Yeah, congratulations, bro. You did it. Great. So yeah, this happens all time, all the time the same. All the time the same. Yeah, some days you can get anything, and yeah, that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. You don't need to trade every single day. You just need to train the setup, because that setup is gonna give us money. So if that's money, they can get to the payout. If you keep doing the same, be consistent with the process, with the strategy, because this shit works, guys. This shit works. If you do it the right way, this shit works. Sometimes you're gonna be frustrating because you don't catch any trades, and that's okay. When you catch the trade, and you make money. That's the most difficult thing to be a trader, is not make money, is to keep the profits. That's why a lot of people go through prop firms, pass challenge, but to get to the payout, it's a completely different story. And you only get to the payout consistency every month or every 2 weeks if you keep doing the same. Have to be the same every single day. If you catch the setup, you trade it. If you don't catch, you don't trade. And that's the only way you go through that. Otherwise, forget it, because you do the trade today, you get 1 to 4, perfect. Now tomorrow you want to trade again, the setup is not ready, you put 1%, you lost. Okay, you trying to recover that loss, you lose another 1%, you're gonna wait. Next day the setup is there, but you're scared to trade, you don't catch, you see the trade runs. The next one, you don't see everything right, you trade and you get lost, and the end of the month you don't have money to withdraw. That happens on average. It's happened to me already. That's why I told you guys, I've been doing a lot of profits, you don't have idea. But yeah, but you get consistency, payout in payout. So it was difficult to find the good companies, the good prop firms. That's why I trust only 3. It was discussed with FXify, but everything solved. They pay. I already received payout from there, so great. I trust them. They pay good. So FTMO, the Fivers, FXE5, I respect them. They pay if you follow the rules like other ones. But some prop firms I'm still don't trust. Like Apex, I make quite good money on them and I don't get paid. Other trades getting paid, I'm still not. So that's why I stopped trading them. Other thing, guys, for our challenge you're gonna do on September, Remember, today is gonna be the last time on FXify for the 20% discount with 2 ads on. You can put 90% split and bi-weekly payouts. And the other thing I want to explain is, even still far from September, and you need to open a trade before 16 days, otherwise the challenge will be cancelled. But yeah, you still have time. If you want to get that promotion, you should do it today. And in 30 days you open like a micro lot. Just open, wait 2-3 minutes, and then close, and you have another 60 days, and until there you already be ready to trade on September. So just to get the promotion, because it's good, 20% off in any size you buy it. Can be 5 key, 400 key with 2 ads on. What happened? Wow, a flash. Yeah, with 2 ads on. Yeah, it's good. 90% profit split is better than 80 or 70%. Okay, just to remember. Yeah, anything you want to go through? Anything else you want to go through? Perfect. More liquidity. Nice swap. What is that? Not today's Monday, okay. Previous daily low. Previous daily high. Still in range. Yeah, that's great. That's great. Keep an eye as he swept the internal range liquidity. If you get a setup here, it can go up. If not, just hold on. Hold it, hold it, hold it. That's it. I think you are done for today. I have a few things to do as well today. I need to go shopping with my wife, as kids are in school. This weekend was amazing. You're welcome. I'm always be here, and tomorrow we'll be here in the morning. Premium members only. Remember that. The same time tomorrow. Same time at 7 o'clock in the morning. All right. At 7. Or you prefer that time? Tell me, guys. This week, what do you prefer? In the morning or at this time? I think you should do the morning, because yeah, 7 I think is better, because you can do some London and you already be ready for New York. Yeah. Me too. I prefer the morning as well, because you do your job, it's gonna be ready. Even for New York, you already know what's gonna happen. So today he come here and it's gone. Everything's gone. So come on. That's okay. That's perfectly fine. Yeah, guys, thank you so much to be here, and we'll be back tomorrow. See you later, guys.